Hayi bo bafethu, ngabe ngiyazi kwenzakalani ngoKhayelihle Shoes, the former Mamelodi Sundowns player. Abaningi babethi is the next Teko Modise. Kuningi okwenzeka empilweni yalo mjidalo in a short space of time. Khayelihle Shoes was born in Pinetown, KZN, and esamncane wadlalela i-team ekuthiwa i-M Tigers FC before amuva ele ePretoria ayodlalela iMamelodi Sundowns lapha adevelopa khona in the younger ranks of iMamelodi Sundowns. Ilapho khona ithalente lakhe lakhuphuka khona esidlalela iMamelodi Sundowns i-DDC team le idlala kwi-Diski Challenge. Wasurprise ocoach abaningi kakhulu, even uPitso Mosemane wamsurprise impela. And kwenza lokho ukuthi Pitso Mosemane amrecognize amlethe kwi-first team season ya 2015 to 2016. Ilapho khona bamletha kwi-first team ukuthi azodlala ne-first team. When he came to the first team of Mamelodi Sundowns, he was quickly loaned to SuperSport United. At an early age, he was loaned to SuperSport and he came back the following season back to the first team, and he was loaned again to Black Leopard. Lapho khona kwi-Black Leopard akadlalanga kahle, wabuya bamlona kwi-Richards Bay FC nya 2017. Wathi sebuya 2018 the following season yaphela i-contract yakhe neMamelodi Sundowns. Wabe free agent for the whole year. Ekubeni free agent for the whole year, the following year 2019 wasayinwa i-TS Galaxy. Lapho khona esebuyela ku-PSL wafika kwi-TS Galaxy izinto zangahamba kahle, wadlala ama-performances wakhe wengekho kahle. Bamlona bamisa ku-JDR Stars ngo-2021. I-contract yakhe ku-JDR Stars yaphela ngo-2022. Kwathi sekuphela u-2022 i-club wayengesenayo. Ziningi izinto ezenzeka kulomjidalo ezadala ukuthi i-career yakhe ingakhuphuki ngale ndlela ayefuna ikhuphuke ngayo. Ngosikhathi eloniwe kwi-JDR Stars kwatholakala ukuthi walahleka, and ekulahlekeni kwakhe abantu abaningi ku-social media bambheka impela basho ukuthi awulahlekile lo mjidalo wedlala iMamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa bagcine bemtholile nje, wathi walahleka nje bamthola, bahamba bamthatha bamisa emndenini wakhe bayobonisa ngoma ngokuzwa kwamahebisi. Bamisisa ngomeni umfana. Ama-rumors behind his situation kwakuthiwa kune-witchcraft eyikhona, kuthiwa kunama-mental issues nama-emotional breakdown adala ukuthi a-acte ngale ndlela le, because wayenalo ithalente lo mfana. Abaningi bamthola emgaqweni esengesekho right, eseyiphara. And okubuhlungu kakhulu, he was a former under-23 weBafana Bafana. Coach Owen Dagama uyena wayecoacha labafana labo. Ngenyanga edlule ngathola i-message eqhamuka komunye wabantu abangilandelayo. Wathi, hello my bro, I hope ugrand. Ngibhala le message ukutshela ukuthi akekho umuntu angamnikeza information ukuthi yebo le information isabalale. So wabhalela mina ukuthi the former Mamelodi Sundowns player uKhayelihle Shoes lo we-mentally disturbed, kuthiwa umndeni wakhe wamisa kwi-recovery, wa-recover for 8 months, and usekwi-good shape manje, usekwi-good health, and use-trainer regularly, and ucela umuntu ongamnikeza ithuba i-chance ukuthi adlale ibhola, ambuyisele ebholini noma ngaba amathimi asemancane nje alapha ko-Motsepe noma amathimi ako-NFD. But mebuyelile nje ebholeni because ibhola unalo yabo. He was deemed the next Teko Modise. Even uPitso Mosemane wayelibona italent again because uyena wamsusa kwi-development iMamelodi Sundowns wamkhuphula amise kwi-first team. So abangakwazi ukumsiza uKhayelihle Shoes ngempela abavele basondele eduzane khona ngizokhuluma nalo mfethu lo bezothola ithuba lokuthi abuyele kwibhola eliphezulu la ku-PSL because neminyaka yakhe siyamshiya manje.